Hi everybody, and welcome to part 1 and part 2 in defining out what business credit is, what it means to you, and what the benefits are when you have business credit. Hi Legacy members, I hope you're doing great today, and I want to thank you in advance for watching this informative video. I like to keep all my videos short and packed with vital go-to quick information that you can then take and execute into your own business lives or use my services to help you get into legacy status even faster. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get down to business, okay? Okay, just so we're all on board here, I'm going to touch up on business credit a bit, what it is and the benefits. The end goal is to go over the 10 main benefits of business credit and make sure that you've got a deep understanding of how awesome this kind of leverage can be for your success. So if you're not familiar with business credit is credit that's obtained in the business name. So what happens with the business credit is the business itself, the corporation, builds its own credit profile and score. And you're obviously familiar with the credit you can build using your social security number. But what we've got here is credit that's linked to your business's EIN. Now lenders can use your EIN to pull your business credit profile, and then whatever credit is linked to your business is going to show under that EIN report. So with an established credit profile and score, the business can then qualify for the credit. And actually you can qualify for the same type of credit that you qualify for on the consumer side. So if you think about loans, credit lines, auto leases, if you think about stores and credit on the stores with Visa and MasterCards, all those things, you can get linked to your business's EIN and not your social security number. Okay, so business credit is in the business name, not the owner's. Now the credit is in the business name based on the business's ability to pay, not the owner's. One of the reasons people really love business credit is to get approved. The decision isn't based on your personal social security, it's based off of the business's ability to pay, off of the business's EIN. Now since the business qualifies for the credit, in some cases, there's no personal credit check required from the business owner. One of the huge benefits of business credit. Now some people love this, okay, because sometimes people have got severely challenged credit, but that doesn't matter because they can still qualify for funding through their business credit that they built. And benefit number 2, this gives you double the borrowing power. All right, there are a lot of benefits, and one of them is that you're creating a completely separate profile from your business and your personal use. And that's nice because you can get twice as much credit. Like right now, you can have an Office Depot credit card in your personal name and an Office Depot credit card in your business credit name. So this gives you a lot more versatility and a lot more credit that's available to you. Now, benefit number 3, significantly faster to build credit in the business world. Now, this is the fun part. Check this out, okay? On the consumer side, the FICO requirement is 6 months, which means you have to have trade. You've got to get a trade line recorded for FICO to issue a score. You have to have an account opened and paid for 6 months. So if you have no credit profile, you're just getting started, FICO's going to make you keep that account for 6 months before issuing you a credit score. Well, in the business credit world, you could easily get approved today. You can get reported in a month. Your trade line score profile is established, and you're literally getting revolving credit cards typically within about 30 to 90 days. And as a matter of fact, within 6 months in the business credit world, you can have like $10,000 to $20,000 Visa and MasterCard limits in the same time frame that in the consumer world, it would take you to get one trade line recorded on FICO. So significantly faster to build credit in the business world. Now, benefit number 4, approval limits are much higher. Now, approval limits are much higher with business credit, and SBA reports a quote saying that approval limits are generally 10 to 100 times higher on business credit accounts than on consumer credit. And this is very, very accurate. It's very true. So example, say if you've got a $2,000 Staples account, then chances are you can get a $2,500 or $4,000 business credit card with Staples. So not only can you get a personal credit card, but with business credit, you can get significantly higher limits of credit card types, which help you get even more access to credit to get even more money. And another benefit, as we mentioned before, when you do this correctly, you can obtain this without a personal credit check. Now, a lot of people mess this up, so it's crucial that you understand the steps involved. I need you to book an appointment with me, and I'll get the skinny on how this all works. Benefit number 5, can be obtained without the owner taking on personal liability. Another benefit is that the business credit can be obtained without the owner taking on personal liability or personal guarantee. So this means in case of a default, the business owner's personal assets can't be pursued. This is rare, people. Most business funding requires a personal guarantee, meaning you're personally liable for the funding. But with business credit, you can obtain this without having to have a personal guarantee, which means that if you don't have a business credit profile built, you'll have to be approved through your personal credit. But the account won't show in your personal credit, just your business credit. So you're still building business credit, you're just personally liable for it. So if you ever do default on something out of your control happens and it causes you to be late or whatever, they're not going to come after your personal assets in the event you do default. They're going to take your business assets, but will not touch your personal assets like your home or your car or your personal bank accounts. They're all secure. They're protected because you didn't personally guarantee the loan. And that, my friends, is a peace of mind altogether. Statistically speaking, 90 of all businesses fail with the first 4 years within business. And guys, that's huge. I mean, we don't get into business to fail, but it's real and it happens. I didn't get into business to lose my home and have my bank account seized. I mean, that's just ludicrous. It makes no sense, okay? So this is just a great way to keep your family's finances safe and secure. All right, well, guys, we are at the end of the first part of the presentation. Be on the lookout for next week's email, part 2 of the series, and get ready to learn even more benefits on business credit. We're going to go over the following: how your business credit will be pulled 100% of the time, having business credit increases chances of approval, business credit saves businesses, grow, and lastly, business credit assets will increase the value of your business. The possibilities are endless. Thanks again, everyone, for watching and supporting all of my videos and training. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Take care. I encourage you to check out my site to get more facts for your legacy needs. And while you're there, go to my services page to learn more on how I take care of my clients. I also encourage you to book an appointment with me for a one-on-one business building experience as I take you through the steps into taking your business, your dream, your vision, and taking it to the legacy level. Did you enjoy the video? Anything you want to add or share? Feeling extra gangster today? Kick it up a notch. Tell others about me by going to my Facebook and clicking on my like button. The more likes and comments that I get, the more I can engage with you by knowing exactly what my audience wants to hear.